All right, in this example we have by the pound. It needs to allocate its overhead and it's going to use activity-based costing, which means it takes these overhead costs. These are the costs that aren't easily traced to a product. They're all those indirect costs that benefit or exist because of the various products the company makes. So in this case we have two pools that management's using. They have 300,000 that they estimate that will be spent related to having the machines, that being depreciation on the machine or the repairs and maintenance. They decided to use machine hours as its overhead rate or as its activity. So the overhead rate to allocate, split these costs up among the products, is the 300,000, the total cost, divided by machine hours. So the more hours a product uses the machine, more dollars will get allocated to it. Now, as far as the personnel, that's maybe the manager's salary who oversees the scheduling and looking after the employees. That the company has decided to use direct labor hours, which makes sense. So we're going to take our overhead related to the people, and the denominator for this is going to be direct labor hours. So for every machine hour, $30 will get allocated to each product, and for every hour of labor, $20 will get allocated. So how much actually gets allocated to the premium dog food? It's going to be the $30 per machine hour. So it's going to be the $30 per machine hour times however many hours the premium dog food had used the machine. Well, down here it's telling us it produced 8,500 barrels of premium dog food, but in doing that it used 4,000 machine hours. So we're going to multiply the 30 by 4,000. So 120,000 of the 300 is going to get allocated to the premium dog food as far as the machine related. And now the other piece is the labor related costs or overhead. We're going to take the overhead rate per labor hour and then multiply that by however many hours it took to make the dog food, and it was 3,000. So I'm going to multiply by 3,000. So the total overhead allocated for this dog food, our premium dog food, is the sum of these two. And that is 180,000.